I think there's political reasons why they are doing this now. I mean, this is 3 years after the fact, and the investigation doesn't seem to have progressed. In fact, in the early days, they stonewalled when Kennedy Masie, the human rights lawyer, as well as Itai Dzamara, Itai's brother, pushed for the investigation. They even needed to get a high court order to push the police to investigate at all. So they had to be dragged with their heels, digging holes into the ground to even give a semblance of an investigation. So I really don't think they're genuine at all. And this is one of the reasons that we're here. That obviously if the police is saying this in good faith, then it is also our duty, and it always has been our duty, to push for the return of Itai Dzamara. So any way that we can help and find more information, we will do so. But at the same time, being conscious of the political context behind it. The fact that the new dispensation is trying to re-engage with the international community. And one of the things that they are doing is they want to appear to clean up their human rights record. And so they want to appear to be doing something. But for us, it's too little too late. They aren't doing enough to find Itai Dzamara. We believe that if they were sincere about it, we would already know where he is and what happened to him. And so it is not just about a police investigation. It is about the system and the institutions that we have in Zimbabwe that allow people like Itai Dzamara, people like Patrick Nabanyama, people like Paul Jizuze to disappear without a trace and have no explanation or accountability for that. So in as much as we are concerned with the personal issue of Itai Dzamara, the person, and we're demanding for him to be returned to us dead or alive, we are also pushing for an overhaul and reform of the system so that in future Zimbabwean citizens can live in their own country with a sense of security, knowing that they can't just be snatched off of the street.